We are in the setup scene where we would like to demonstrate the use of the Space Manager and semi-transparency instruments in Vision. This will be a quick tutorial. These are two very useful tools in the process for tooth alignment. We have aligned a group of teeth with collisions, documented in red, and we will use the Space Manager to distribute the collisions as evenly as possible among the selected teeth. When we're going to use Space Manager, we can choose any of the teeth in the series that we would like to select. We can start with the bicuspids, or we can start with the anteriors. And begin to select the group of teeth. Once we've selected, you're going to click on the tooth that you first selected, and you'll see the options for semi-transparency and Space Manager. You have options to distribute across the width, to align to tooth 44, or align to tooth 35, or align to this tooth. Distribute across the width, we'll select that first. And as you can see, the values of collisions have changed and have been distributed among the selected teeth. I'm going to undo so you can see the values, where they were to where they are once I executed the action. So we undid that. We're going to go ahead and choose align to tooth 44, which is this bicuspid. So I'll undo the action. And you can see when I redo it, we'll go back and select to align to tooth 35, which will be this bicuspid. We'll undo the action again. And we're going to change the grouping just so you can see if I were to choose an anterior and then select the group of teeth and align and distribute the contacts to this tooth, you'll see how it's spread evenly. And now there are no collisions. If you wanted to use the same procedure when there's spaces, for example, between the molar and the bicuspid, we'll select those two. Oh, backwards. Right click, and we'll align to tooth 37. It'll bring the bicuspid and pull it towards the molar. We'll undo that. You can also choose this group of teeth and align to tooth 44. So now we have closed the space. So that is the use of the Space Manager. Next, we'll go over the use of the semi-transparency, and that simply is making a selection of a single tooth or a group of teeth. And when you right-click, you'll see the semi-transparency option selected. And the teeth become lightly visible. If you want them to come back to a solid view, simply click on any of the teeth. This semi-transparency option is also available in the use for your arches. Right-click on the arch that you want to use the semi-transparency option on. Again, just left-click onto it to come back. Right-click for the semi-transparency to show up. We hope that this tutorial has been helpful.